Dumpster rentals in East Ridge, Tennessee. When it comes to reliable dumpster rental services in East Ridge, Tennessee, Worx is your go-to choice for efficiency and affordability. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction project, or a major cleanup, Worx has the perfect dumpster for your needs. Offering a range of sizes, from small roll-offs to larger options, we ensure our clients find the right fit for their waste management demands. With a commitment to prompt delivery and pickup, Worx makes renting a dumpster simple and stress-free. You can trust us to bring the container right to your location and remove it when you're ready, allowing you to focus on the project at hand. Our straightforward pricing and transparent approach mean no hidden fees, giving you complete confidence in your choice. In East Ridge, Tennessee, Worx proudly supports both residential and commercial clients, providing a dependable service that helps keep your property clean and organized. Our team of professionals is just a call away. Contact us at 423-5510677 to discuss your project and recommend the most suitable dumpster size. Don't let waste pile up. Reach out to Worx today for all your dumpster rental needs in East Ridge, Tennessee, and experience convenience and professionalism from start to finish.